In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to understand how to display prime numbers between given two numbers. Let's create a class. Go to new and then class prime between numbers, and then select public static void main and click on finish button. So for example, let's say they have given us int first number is, let's say, 30, and then last number they have given, assume, that is 45. So you need to display the prime numbers between these two. So how to do that? So before we go to that, so we already know how to write a program for prime number, and to do this program you need to know while loop, and you need to know for loop, and you need to know if condition. So you already know the data types. So these three will help you to write this program, and already you know the prime program logic. So how to identify a number, whether it is a prime number or not. So this already we have seen. So once you understand these three, then it would be easy for you to understand this logic. So now what I am going to do is, first I will make use of while loop and then try to iterate it through my first number to last number. Your first number less than or equal to your last number. So till these 30 to 45 I will iterate my loop and then identify all the numbers in between them. See here, I'm just trying to make my program properly intended. The alignment should be proper so that you will not get confused where to put the increments and all. So now what I'm going to do is, so as how we have done in our prime number program, define a boolean flag as false initially, and then make use of your for loop concept to identify the non-prime number. So how to do that? For int I is equal to 2, and then your I value less than or equal to the f number by 2. We know this logic already, and then you will increment your I value. So once this is done, what you are going to do is you are going to check your if your f number, first number percentile I is equal to 0, then it will be a composite number, that means non-prime number. So where I am going to make my flag as flag, make it as true, and then you will break the statement, and you will iterate this loop, and what you are going to do is finally you are going to write one more if condition. If your when the flag is not true, that means whenever the flag is false, and also you need to check your first number should not be equal to 0, because 0 is not a prime number, and also you should make sure that your first number should not be equal to 1 also. So because 1 and 0 are not prime numbers, and then finally you will make use of system print statement and use this statement. So make use of only system print, and don't use println, otherwise it will display in line by line. I don't want to show it in the line by line. And f number, and give a space so that your numbers will have a certain space in between, so that it would be easy for us to view the numbers. So and after completion printing this, what you are going to do is you are going to iterate your f number again. That means you will increment f number value. So first what it will do, first your first number 30 will come and check whether that number is a prime number or not. If it is a prime number, it will make use of this logic and gets printed, and then it will get incremented 30 and then 31. Again it will check. Again if it is prime number, then only it will come to the console. Again like this it will go and continue till 45. So this is how the program works. Now if I run this program, see, it will print the numbers, the prime numbers between 30 and 45. So run the program and see how the prime numbers are displayed with the given interval. So you need to make sure that the alignments are proper, otherwise you may if you do a small mistake also, your system will show some errors, and you will not be able to complete this program. See, 31, 37, 41, 43. So you can change the numbers, whatever the numbers you wanted to say. Let's say 21 and then 50 if you wanted to make use. Just run the program and see how the program is getting displaying the prime numbers between these two intervals. So you can make use of this program and display the given numbers, whatever you wanted to take, you can take, and automatically it will display the prime numbers. Thank you.